Hi, I am Robert Babicz, and check out my new course for Contour and FaderPro. In this course, I'm going to show you how I create a track from scratch. Nothing is prepared. I will create a full track out of nothing. I will create a track in my kind of style, that is Babiczstyle. You will see how I create a beat, how I work on the bass drum, how I create bass lines, special effects, the whole arrangement. Basically the whole process is here. You see me struggling, finding something. Everything is recorded. You see all. So welcome, come with me. We will have some music.